Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to delete your ESPN Fantasy League. Let's get started. So this is a slightly simple process, and in order to do this, you will first need to ensure you have done the following steps. First things first, make sure you check your league rules. Before leaving, review your league's rules or guidelines. Some leagues may have specific procedures for leaving. Ensure you have done them. Secondly, notify the commissioner. It is courteous to inform the league commissioner, as in the person who manages the league, that you intend to leave. This can be done by a simple message or email. Next, ensure that you have removed your team. If you're using a platform like ESPN, for example, you may have the option to delete or abandon your team directly through the website or app. Go ahead and look for an option to leave the league. Once you're about to leave the league, go ahead and consider a replacement for your position, because the league may require for you to find a replacement so they can handle the rest of your business. Then go ahead and simply find the leave league button or a similar option on that specific website. Go ahead and confirm it, and there you have it. You have simply left the league you initially joined. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.